Here goes my swarm. Jeez. Why do they have to do this? Holy crap. They're just pouring out of there. And there they go. Right up my shirt. Wow. That's intimidating. Holy fuck, that's a lot of bees. And there goes my hive. Holy shit. Wow. Looks like they're going behind me somewhere. I don't know where. To my left. I'm gonna go see. They're out now. And they're off. Holy, I don't know where they're going. That's a lot of bees. Where are they going to go? Well, it's a few minutes later and they're still, look at these the birds feeding. These guys are still just looking for a place to go. I hope they go far. I really do. They're all over. They're in my hair. But they're not aggressive. They don't seem to care. They just land on me looking for a place to live. Or something. It actually looks like they're coming back to the hive. What in the heck? I've never seen this live. I was out of town when they did it last week. Out of my other hive. They're coming home. Look at them. Maybe they didn't find a suitable place. I really need to look into swarm prevention. I've got some seriously antsy, healthy bees. I tried to split, a couple splits. This is one of them, off of that hive right there that we just looked at. And I had another one here that I took away to a friend's house. This is what we captured, a swarm, the first swarm that came out of this hive. Captured it in this, right over there on my neighbor's bush. But this is where I put them. So that's the swarm's permanent home. I'm doubtful as to whether there's a queen in there because I dropped that comb. They built that comb and it fell off when I took them out of the part-time box there, the nuke, and I was hoping she wasn't on it. But they've been acting kind of weird ever since. They're still bringing in pollen, so maybe she's in there laying. I'll give them a few days and check it out. They're just buzzing. Look at this. They went out, looked around. It's amazing. And then they're back. And they're just filtering in. The queen must have gone back inside. That is absolutely insane. I sure am glad they're not aggressive at the moment. But look at all these bees. Oh my lord. That's intimidating. They're landing on me like crazy. They're all over. This is bizarre. I don't know. Beekeeping. I think I see why people do this in open places instead of in neighborhoods. But I gotta figure out how to control these girls. Keep them from looking for a new home. I gotta build another hive or something. Jeez. Okay. I gotta go. Ah, there's one on my neck. Okay, see you later.